I am having a good lash day. And some of you guys may be laughing at this, but if you have short lashes, you will know this is a good lash day, okay? This doesn't happen very often. My friend, she gave me these siumais. She gave me some siumai, and she said these are unbelievably good. I don't know if she said they were pescatarian or vegetarian, but she said I could eat them. I'm just gonna steam some. Ooh, they may be pescatarian. They smell kind of fishy. I'm very excited to try these. This is why I love the Our Place pan, because it's also a steamer. So we'll just put this in here, close it up. Moment of truth. Okay. They're cute. And our friend was raving about these, so I have very high expectations.
Well, it's like a fishball, but wrapped with siumai wrap.
Interesting. Not exactly what I expected, but it is good. All right, Navi, you ready for some training? Oh my goodness. Navi.
All I'm going to teach the dog to get food, how to get food is just by standing on this, okay? Perfect, yes. She touched the board, food comes off me.
What is this exercise like teaching?
Recall. I'm going to show you. This doesn't make sense right now, but I promise you it does. Look, I'm not going to do anything. I'm going to, yes. Nice. I'm just doing side to side because I want the dog to pick up the side. Navi, come. Yes. Yeah, I'm saying yes to let the dog know you did it right, and I release him dog.
So I heard you guys went and watched Navi Train. Couldn't be there, had to go to my Invisalign appointment. I was told that I wasn't wearing them enough, and I don't know what they talking about. Just kidding, I don't really wear them. I was supposed to be done with them already, but I can't get used to wearing them all the time. And also, I like to snack throughout the day and like have coffee and drinks that could stain it. So it makes sense for me not to wear it all the time, right? And then I was also told that I need to wear my rubber bands more often. I shouldn't complain. I don't have real braces. I heard real braces, they just cut up your mouth and everything. We should ask the person with the most experience.
For 6 years.
Okay, but now we are gonna go do some grocery shopping.
We are back home from grocery shopping, and I can't believe it's already dark outside. Normally, I would be having lunch now, but it's like getting dark. I had so much fun at H Mart. It is one of our favorite grocery stores. If you've been following this channel, you know that H Mart is our go-to grocery store, and I'm so happy that today we are partnering with them for this video. If you've never been to H Mart before, you have to find one near you. You can go to hmart.com and look for their locations. Also, they now have H Fresh delivery, which if you are in New York or New Jersey, select locations actually offer delivery services. So you're able to look that up at fresh.hmart.com. And I just love them so much because they have so many unique items. Like, I love the types of vegetables they have. They also have a ton of frozen and fresh seafood options. So these are pretty unique. I've never tried these before, so I'm excited. This is the salted mackerel fillet. So I think we're gonna grill this one today. I believe this is a, roasted dried monkfish meat. And this, Sophie said that you can just eat it out of the packaging and have it as a snack. And then lastly, this is something that Wall picked out. It's the spicy stir-fry small octopus. And this seems pretty simple. You just warm it up on the stove, and I'm really excited to have a nice Korean meal tonight. I also got some side dishes. If you would like to check them out, I'll put their information below. And now let's get to cooking. Smells so good. This is a feast. 잘 먹겠습니다.
잘 먹겠습니다.
I'm so excited for this meal.
Everything smells so good.
Try the japchae first.
Try the fish first. Oh, you guys see that crispiness?
Did you squeeze the lemon on it?
I love that it's already salted and cleaned. Every time I get fish, I don't like cleaning it. This monkfish, dried monkfish, is actually my first time trying it, and it's supposed to be like a snack. Yeah, this is good. Oh, it's sweet. As a kid, I always like getting those dried fish snacks. This is exactly what that is, but it's sweet.
It's chewy and crispy. Let me try it with the sauce.
I made some soy sauce. Put soy sauce, sesame oil, sesame seeds, and some pepper flakes. Oh, oh, that sauce is fire.
A lot of veggies inside. Dip it maybe in the sauce.
Wow.
It's so good.
I love Korean food.
Oh no. Please take us back to Korea soon. So happy.
So happy.
Giving her a piece of the fish. Money.
Where's that smell? I smell fish. It's somewhere.
Where's
it's
it?
somewhere. It's in Navi's breath. She smells it.
I know, she's looking for
Oh.
it. Oh! Was that good?
Wow. That's what you were grilling outside?
Yum!
You already got yours, Michi. One extra?
Ooh, that was good, huh? So I've answered this question many times before, but I feel like almost every day I get a question regarding what our dogs eat. So I'm gonna quickly show you. Michi's food I'm not gonna show you because we make that ourselves. It's a home cooked diet that our nutritionist made for us. But for Money and Navi, Zionist Kitchen. So this one is Money's recipe. This is the grain-free limited ingredient fish recipe, and it looks like this. See it here. It's green and it looks weird, especially if you're not used to feeding your dog like a dehydrated food. It is kind of mushy and bleh looking, but Money really likes it. So this is what Money eats. And then Navi eats this one. This is the whole grain chicken recipe, but also I do give them kibble sometimes. We have this one. This is open farm, grass-fed beef and ancient grains. This is usually what we feed them when we're on the go, camping and stuff like that, because it's just easier. But I also picked this one up today. It's a new thing from the Honest Kitchen, and I got it for Navi. This is the whole grain chicken and oat recipe. So this is like the Honest Kitchen's first version of kibble, but it's not, they don't want to call it kibble, they call it whole food clusters because it's not like baked at high temperatures like kibble. Also the Open Farm one, they don't bake it at high temperatures either, which is why I like them. Yeah, I'm excited to have Navi try this one because it's pretty much the same exact ingredients as what's in her dehydrated food, but just made into clusters. And I thought she'd like just having a crunch just to switch it up. Yeah, highly recommend these two brands if you're looking for something to feed your dog. You got something to say?
No.
Every time he creeps in, I'm like, okay. How do you want to roast me this time? Ow!
Splinter, huh?
The wood!
The time she dances! No!
This is why I don't dance!
Even the dance floor doesn't want you to dance! Oh, right here, right here.
Oh my god.
Oh, it took some of your sock too, look. So I installed some amber lights inside of the Land Cruiser. I'm very excited because we have these like a little on the warm side, but I wanted like that extra warmth. So I went with amber lights, amber LED lights, which 1, it'll take less power. 2, it'll be brighter. 3, I can change the color. So. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, the camera won't pick it up. Hi, baby. How are you? Oh, maybe I can give her some fish.
Yeah, I bought her food.
Would you like some fish? Alright, this is gonna be kind of hard to see. I mean, you can't even see me right now. Let's start with this front one first. Whoa. Doesn't look good on camera, but it looks really good in person. It looks so red. So yeah, it's more of an orange, but the camera is picking up really red. Wow, this looks great. I'm very happy. You like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Me too.
It's so much brighter. It's so like warm and cozy in here.
Perfect for the winter.
Oh, I'm sleeping in here tonight.
Oh, calm down,
See,
calm
look,
down.
I can sleep here. Fit perfectly. If I was just solo traveling, I can totally just sleep like this.
Yeah.
And the dogs can sleep in the front. So bright. I should just bring a book and sit in here to read.
Okay, it's cold. Should we go back inside?
No. Update on Callie. I'm actually not sure if that's her real name because I finally found her owner. Turns out, yes, she does have an owner. She is someone else's cat, so I will not be taking her to the shelter anymore. She is my neighbor's outdoor cat.
Come on.
And she is spayed already. My neighbor said that she goes home. She goes inside sometimes, but not always, because she likes to be outside and she fights with her other cat. She doesn't even want our food.
Her fresh mackerel. She don't want it.
She hasn't been coming to us as often anymore. She's so cute. But yeah, she doesn't even care to be fed anymore. She's just here for the massages. Callie. She's basically everyone's cat, and she can't be tamed, because homegirl does not want to be home. She's so cute.
Hey girl, you have a little fish in your mouth.
So I've been trying to feed Callie the past 3 days, and she's just not interested in our food anymore. And the past week, I feel like she's just forgotten about us. The first few weeks when she was coming to our house, she was like acting like our cat, I have to say. She would just wait for us. She would just sit there until I go outside to pet her and feed her. But the last few days, she hasn't been coming over anymore. I guess she found a new person. Am I a little salty? Just a little bit. I just went out yesterday to the pet store and I picked her up a few cans. She's not even interested. She doesn't want to eat any of my food. And she definitely looks a little chunkier, so I think either my neighbor who owns her or maybe one of my other neighbors has been feeding her, so she just doesn't care.
He was right there and you were just like, oh, hello. Yeah. they left me. 1.
Miso! Hi, Miso! He hasn't been able to go out to the living room. Good boy. There's my Sesame. Tima Mui. His Cantonese name is Minsi, and she's Tima. Oh, hell nah. I opened this bag of Oreos and Wall left me one. Why did he should have just eaten the last one. This is just rude. How dare he? It is now dinner time, but I don't really know what I want to eat. I don't know if you care to hear this story, but yesterday I went and I ordered udon at a restaurant. Wall paid for it and he gave them a $20 bill. And the udon was $8.80, okay? So I was supposed to get some change back from the 20. But Juan and I were both so hungry, we were just so fixated thinking about the food that I didn't remember to ask them for my change. Not that I should have asked for my change, because they should have given me my change without me asking, but I don't know what happened there. I didn't realize until I got home. I called the restaurant, of course. My change is there. He said they'll hold on to it for me and that I was gonna go pick it up today, but I went today. Turns out they didn't open until 5:30 and I got there at 4:30. So now I'm still like $12 short for my udon, but it happens, you know, it was busy. Anyways, there's actually quite a bit of things to eat. Oh, I did buy a shoyu noodle soup today. More like a ramen thing. This could be good. We also do have a lot of leftovers. That's what I'll have. I love having stews because they usually last a few days. I just got food on deck. And the thing with stews is that the longer you let it sit, the better it tastes. I get quite a lot of questions regarding our microwave, and this is the one we have. This is from Amazon. As you can see, you gotta like really crank it up. With this microwave, it's very weak. It does the job and it's really small. I feel like it's very energy efficient, so I do like it. And it knows to automatically power off whenever you're done. Here it is. I have some scallops, tilapia, and salmon. Even better than the first day. Woo. Wow, so good.